In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, locate the email you want to archive. Hover your mouse over that email in your inbox. On the right side of the email row, an action bar will appear. Click the archive icon, which looks like a box with a downward arrow. The email will immediately be removed from your inbox and stored in your all mail folder. Another way to archive an email is by opening it first. Click on the email to view it. Then, in the top horizontal toolbar above the message, click the archive icon. This will move the email out of your inbox while keeping it accessible in all mail. You can also right-click on an email directly from your inbox list. From the menu that appears, click Archive. Choose whichever method feels faster and more convenient for your workflow. After archiving, you'll see a small confirmation message in the lower left-hand corner of the screen letting you know the action was successful. If you want to archive multiple emails at once, click the checkboxes to the left of each email you want to select. Once selected, go to the toolbar at the top of your inbox and click the archive icon. All selected emails will be archived at the same time. Again, you'll see a confirmation message in the lower left-hand corner confirming the action. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.